Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about MarsRise. MarsRise listed on CoinGecko right now, 7 days. In the last 3 days, profit gains about 200, near 300%. And for sure you can buy this token on PancakeSwap because it is on Binance Smart Chain. And let's have a look why this MarsRise, why it is so special, and why I think this thing will go skyrocket to the moon. And not only to the moon, it will go to Mars, right? Colonizing Mars together for a better future. MarsRise is a token launched on Binance Smart Chain with automatic liquidity pool growth and holder rewards through transaction taxation. This to bring a community together on the mission to Mars, a token with value and strange coming from within the community. Join our journey now. Here you have the roadmap and for sure the live chart. We will look later on that, what the chart is doing and what I think, where the price is moving. Here's some MarsRise partners and tokenomics. The tokenomics very impressive. 1% passive income to all holders on every transactions. Automated liquidity and strategic buyback is distributed to the locked liquidity on every transaction, making MarsRise unruggable. So that means this is not the here's not some quick cash for some scammers possible, because this project is unruggable and proved. Why? I will show that in a few moments. Project sustainability, 2% enhancements, operations and marketing. Original supply is 1 quadrillion and the half of it already burned, and the half of it is on Pancake liquidity list and on exchanges. Which one? I will show you. Roadmap 21-hour way to Mars. So I hope, guys, we will be on this rocket together to reach the Mars together. Mars community colony, their target. We will launch the first version of the MarsRise game. Stay tuned for more details. So we can be happy to see a game from MarsRise. Let's have a look. Buyback and burn rewards. Buyback Hyper-Deflationary token. Community contract ownership secured and yours. Mars Wallet ensures that you and only you will have access to your tokens and without additional concerns that arise from losing your hardware wallet. Plus, see accurate DeFi prices. Very good. We have a fair launch, security first DeFi trading, and community powered locking. Control room. Here again some links. Buy on PancakeSwap. Slippage. Yes, you have to put it on 15% because right now it's going on much on this token. This token is hot traded right now. Here we have the beginner guide, very nice, explained from first step how to buy your Mars tokens, your MarsRise tokens, right? So let's have a look why I think this project have a big future. We have at first token audit, security audit. This is here proved from this that this token is solid. This token has some limitations. This token have a quadrillion, and you can see here all the different audit details. You can read this by yourself. You can find it also on the website, and here you can see it's all proved. We have here already burned over 50% of tokens are dead, and you can see here the 10 biggest holders. And for sure, they run here some checking status are completed. So you can read this by yourself on @token. And I will put you all the links down into the description so you can look by yourself if these things are legit, right? Let's have a look here on tag rate, also smart contract security audit. Here also some proven checkups, and for sure here the next one, solid proof. Also I will put you all the links together that you can look by yourself on a time you want to see it. And here we have listed right now this token on Unicrypt. For sure they have their own exchange, the MarsRise exchange, so you can buy here also this token. They are listed also on indox.io, on Hotbit right now listed on 25th October. So if you step right now into this project, you have a huge chance to make some huge profits, right? On XT listed, and for sure it will be listed on CoinTiger here on their Twitter account. CoinTiger here, they say MarsRise US dollar will be listed, will be available on CoinTiger soon. So get ready for this. They have for sure Telegram group here with 67,000 members and 8,700 right now online, and Twitter account with over 54,000 followers. And what the actual price chart says, let's have a look on PooCoin app. You know that, just copy paste the address or just type here inside MarsRise and it will also work. You will find this token. You can see right now I have here a 12 hours candle chart. That means every candle represents 12 hours. And you can see after it's getting listed on CoinGecko, it goes huge. It goes huge, and the first guys for sure want to take out some profits. This is a normal procedure. You will have this, you will see this on every token. But what you don't see on every token is that the market cap is right now already 2.8 million US dollars. And I think this thing will go easily 100x the next few days, and why not 1000x, because we have here some audits which not every token have, right? And we have a community that is so big, and we have 8,700 right now online. So if you step into that group, you will see something will go on, and you don't want to miss out this chance. Maybe the next Shiba Inu, who knows? Folks, let me know what you think about this project. I like it, I'm in it, and I will definitely stay into that project, because people behind this project is not that fast and they know what they are doing. Mention that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comment what you think about MarsRise. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits on the blockchain. And yes, see you soon in the shuttle to MarsRise. See you later, alligator. Bye, folks.